Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. I look forward to working with you on your next truck. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email at molden@lee-smith.com. This walk around is on the NRR Crew Cab with a 20-foot body. The body itself is composed of a 16-foot flat floor with a 4-foot dovetail. This is a heavy-duty body meant for equipment hauling as well as used for lawn care equipment. The side itself features a 8-foot opening side door, 8 tool holders on the bulkhead, and 2 holders for hoses on the back. On the underside, we feature the Super Springs 3,000-pound stabilization capacity, again for those heavier loads that you might run into. Mechanically operating the side door, we have an upper first clip D-handle release, and we come over to the tab at the front on the passenger side. It has a feature basically to make it from flying around. You release that and come up to the peg on the back of the side door, keeps it from losing connectivity and flying away into workers, staff, or yard maintenance. On the rear end of the 2 doors, still a good strong D handle, but we have an insert for the D drop-in side. This gives you access to 2 pallet widths of loading capacity on the back of the bed. On the interior of the bed are 6 D-rings spaced on the corners and at the midpoint for allowing secure tie-down of the heavier equipment. The back gate itself is reinforced for additional loading weights of your machines. On the driver's side, which is the fuel fill side, is a fuel box up at the front with, again, a point to where it currently has a cotter pin, but you can go ahead and insert a safety lock chain there to keep your fuels protected. Again, this on the NRR Isuzu, that's 19,500 pounds, 7,200 front axle, in addition to the rear axle carrying most of the burden. 3-man occupancy in the front, 4-man occupancy in the rear. Gives you plenty of space for storage above, below, mat on the floor itself to protect the underlying sound insulation. In the front, the steering column is a tilt and telescopic double overdrive automatic transmission. Turbo diesel on this is a 215 horsepower turbocharged engine, 374,000 mile B10 life expectancy, meaning 90% of the vehicles are engineered to exceed 374,000 miles. This is a Bluetooth phone accessibility. Also for your cleanup, we have the hook here for when you go by the convenience store to pick up your foods, that they're able to hook on the bag there to take it home with them at night. Controls for the rear windows, lockout for the rear windows, and the diesel particulate filter regeneration lamp. Basically, it's something I would like for my clients to continue to work at with diesel trucks, to be used to pulling up the service brake, having the vehicle in park, and pressing and holding this particular diesel regeneration button for 5 seconds with the engine on. If it needs to go into regeneration, it engages. If it doesn't need to, it displays in the multi-informational display area that it's going through the check and that the check did not need to run, so therefore it won't run. Again, tilt and telescopic steering column, cruise control, dash-mounted fleet inspection with regard to checking your oil. Green lantern means that you're good. If it was 1 quart low, it'd be red. We'd have to tilt and check it. The second one is the odometer check to see what the mileage is, as well as to share with you how much fuel is in the fuel tanks. Again, my name is Mike Olden. I look forward to working with you on your next truck. We build to make sure that our clients have what they want in design. This 30-inch side is to keep it to where you have taller product, more contained than would be a standard 16-inch tall body on the sides. And again, one of the things about working with me is we will work through what is the purpose and need for the vehicle. Again, my name is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Make it a great day, and I look forward to working with you.